Welcome back. Water shortage has forced most of the industries at Honda Industrial Estate in Sattari to stop their operations. They are facing acute water shortage. Industrialists claim that even after complaints, IDC has failed to solve their issue. This has also affected their industrial production in Honda.
There is no water supply in Honda Industrial Estate for last many days. There are around 40 units in this estate. This land belongs to IDC. Entrepreneurs claim that even after complaints, IDC has failed to take any action. Now, they are forced to shut down their unit operations.
Because of code of conduct, हे आमचे पंपाचे जे काम करपाचे आहा ते जायना. पंप जळलेलो आहा आणि एका साधारण महिनो जालो आणि अजूनही गव्हर्नमेंट काय ॲक्शन घेयना हेजेर IDC आणि आम्ही काल हे केल्या उपरांत GMक मेळपाक गेले IDCन तेणे आमकां आश्वासन दिला आता ते पास जावन आयला आणि सोमार पर्यंत मेळटले म्हणून. हांगासर आता सोमारा तो पंप वयतलो रिपेरिंगाक तेज्या उपरांत तो केन्ना पावतलो आणि केन्ना आमकां उदक मेळटलें हें खबर ना. प्रत्येक शेडीच्या हेका एक थेंबा खातीर आमी उदकाच्या थेंब्या खातीर एक हेवटेन तेवटेन भटकता.
Some of the entrepreneurs have started getting water from outside.
माझी आईस्क्रीमची फॅक्टरी आसा जाल्यार म्हाका उदक मातशें म्हाज्या हांगा लागता आनी उदक सगळें ना म्हणटकीर म्हाका हांव हेवटेन तेवटेन उदक हें हाडून मागीर हांव हें करपाची ट्राय करता आनी आमचे शेजारी कोण आसा न्हू तांकां उदक इल्लें हें दिता भुरग्यांक कोण आसा न्हू पण IDC कांयच लक्ष घालना.
There are about 400 workers associated with various units in this industrial estate, but ironically, the canteen is lying closed. Factory owners claim that it closed for the last 6 months.
400 भुरगे आसा आनी हे 400 भुरग्यांकूय च्या सुद्दां घेतलो जाल्यार हे कॅन्टिनान आमकां फॅसिलिटीज केल्ली पूण ती 6 म्हयने जाले फाटल्या दिसांनी कॅन्टिनूच बंद आसा. ताका लागून सादी च्या जावं कितें जेवण जेवतलो जाल्यार भुरग्यांक हांगासरल्यान जवळ 2 ते 3 किलोमिटर पयस वचचें पडटा चलत आनी चलत यो आनी वच म्हणल्यार सादारण तांकां 1.5 ते 2 वरां वेस्ट जाता.
A reporter from Honda, Uday Parab.
Election Commission's flying squad of Madgaon seized one box of CDs from a vehicle parked near Joki Alemau's office. The Konkani CDs read Painche Mele Kortub by one Mariano Suarez. The raid was conducted after receiving intimation from a person from Kunkoli.
The Madgaon flying squad raided a vehicle in Madgaon on Sunday. The vehicle was parked opposite to Joki Alemau's office. The election flying squad seized the vehicle and found one box of CDs. The CDs were of Konkani songs by one Mariano Suarez.
इन्फॉर्मेशन आयलो मागीर आमी आयला पळयल्या पैसे आसा म्हणून मागीर काय पैसे काय नाशिल्ले थोडी सीडी आशिल्ली.
कितली सीडी अटॅच केला तुम्ही सर?
आतां आमी बॉक्सान गेला आतां आमी बघताले
सध्या काय इन्फॉर्मेशन कोणाच्या ऑफिसांतल्यान हे केला तुम्ही सीडी कितली अटॅच
केला काय गाडयेच्यान धरल्या
कितें पॉलिटिकल कितें तूं या सीडी
पॉलिटिकल काय ना आमकां मेळ्ळेले तेजे वयर ते इन्फॉर्मेशन आयलो आमकां कॉल आयलो तेजे प्रमाणे आमी आयलो.
A reporter in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Mock Parliament Competition 2012 of students was held recently. St. Xavier's College backed the first prize and Nyan Prasarak Mandal's college won the second. The aim behind organizing such competition is to create awareness amongst the students on social issues, democratic system and decision-making processes.
It is an open secret that the drugs are available everywhere at reasonable rates. The garas outside Xavier's College, MES College, and of course we cannot forget about the Bhelpuri Walas in Miramar near Tempe College. All this has destroyed the student careers. The government, instead of clamping it down, looks at it the other way, which has been shocking, especially for the parent community.
Issues like ragging in colleges, food poisoning by meals provided to students, suicides committed by school students were raised at the 0 hour. The colleges had different topics to deal with. Nyan Prasarak College dealt with depletion of science students in colleges. In all, 14 colleges participated in the mock parliament competition.
Honorable Minister, Speaker Madam, the power under the power to take actions against such errors is in the hands of the central government. Honorable MLA, Siddesh.
This is not correct. The police can register a complaint against the general's personality. If anything is shown in the state, The police or the magistrate has the right to put the general.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Construction of madrasa at Rumdamad, Madgaon created heated waves in Sunday's Gram Sabha. Masjid committee says that they won't want another madrasa in their area. However, Panchayat claims that it is construction of a house and not a madrasa. One group from the Muslim community says they do not need another madrasa.
ते कितें म्हणटात तो ऑलरेडी मस्जिद मद्रासा आसा सो थंय आनी गरज ना म्हणटा मद्रासा जावपाक लागून ते म्हणटात जरी तरी ह्या मद्रासा जाय जाल्यार मुस्लिमां मदीं दोन हें जातलें म्हणटा ग्रूप ताका लागून हे मद्रासा बांदपाक दिवचे न्ही ऑलरेडी तांचे प्रेयर्स कितें आसा ते मस्जिदीन चालू आसा म्हणून सांग आनी ते आपले रावपाक लागून बांदलेले बांदता म्हणून मद्रासा बांदपाक न्ही म्हणटा.
However, some of the villagers pointed out that there is already another madrasa existing in the village.
आणि मस्जिद कमिटी जे म्हणटा न्हू ते ऑलरेडी मस्जिद मदरसा आसा म्हणून ते ऑलरेडी मदरसा तेजेर एक्शन घेवपाक पडटलें तेजेर एक्शन घेवपाक पडटलें ऑलरेडी आसा तितून लोकल भुरगीं कोण ना भायले आसा सगळे कोणाक कळटा ते तो ताका खबर आहा आमी तितले मागीर तुमकां एक्शन घेवचें पडटलें आनी कोणाक सांगपाक ते वचून सांगतले.
A reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.